Hi, YouTubers. I have got a great project for you to hear today. So, what I'm going to show you is the Bowl Cozy. It is a quilt in the hoop project. So that means it's going to quilt it for you, mark your darts, and get it ready for you to set at the sewing machine. As you see, it is doing an outline of the embroidery design, and it's going to mark every single dart. So everything is going to be exactly the same. You're not going to have seams that are not matching up. It's going to be really, really easy. So we are starting this this giveaway today. And you guys all know about it. It's the Bowl Cozy embroidery design quilt in the hoop. So here it is. As you may see, you have to have an embroidery machine, and you have to be able to float your batting in the hoop with a fabric behind it. So then you just lay it in the hoop, and then you put your fabric on top and stitch it out. And what it does is a total quilting in the hoop. Not doing the project in the hoop, it's quilting the project. So that means it saves you tons of time on quilting. It's also more accurate than you sewing and quilting by your sewing machine. And it's going to save you tons of time because every dart is pre-marked for you. So that means you'll be able to start this project by quilting 2 of them, make you a bowl cozy and faster. Quicker time. I mean, the only thing you have to do is add your seam allowance to that outer edge and sew it. I mean, everything is marked. Your pleats are marked. This is going to be your dream because it is going to make it super, super easy. Designs. We have these new wristband USBs that we will be putting our designs on and do them as giveaways. So that's another reason to like and share and subscribe. So please, if you see a video and it says giveaway, more than likely it's going to be a USB wristband or some products that we have already completed that we just want to share with you. So, we're going to share with you today. Here's the rules. You must share, subscribe, and like, and comment with the code word that we have hidden inside this video. When you do that, we will be messaging you once the computer picks your name, and then that way we will be in contact with you and tell you that you're a winner, and then we can send you the USB. I will also be in contact with you to ask you, what size machine hoop do you have? Because I want to make sure you get the right size for your embroidery machine. So please follow us on Facebook. We also have a Facebook account. It's called the Stitching Witch Designs. And that is a private group that you can be part of and get all kinds of information, which will be amazing. But my goal here is to teach you guys how to do designs, DIYs, everything that you can think of. I'm very creative. I've been a seamstress and an artist for many years. So this is just fun for me because I love seeing how far I can go with my creations. So, thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoy winning these. So we'll have 2 winners. Okay, so I hope to see you soon, and thank you for watching my channel. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.